Welcome to the Overhaul. This is the screw board I'm going to use. This is the Clarinet. It's a LeBlanc A Clarinet. That's known as an LL Clarinet. Here's just a random pad. It's a random pad. What is this? Oh, that's a penny. All right, here we go. Screwdriver. We have my favorite pliers. We also have another set of little pliers to get into little places. All right, and here we go. We're going to start with the bottom joint. And if you look at the screw board, one of the nice things about these screw boards, if you get them, you can get them from a store that look like this. It gives you kind of a way that you can take it apart. You know, it makes sense if you do it this way. So we're going to start with the bottom joint. Now I've owned this LeBlanc Clarinet for quite a while, and it always kind of played okay, but I'm going to make it play better. No, Becky. Oh, those are stripped. You rethread them. Interesting. I'm not going to do that. Let's see here. Pressure maybe. Ah, all stripped. I have to just retap it. That's all said and done. Interesting. All right. Check that. I get there. Do the same thing here. What I'm doing is I'm putting slight pressure on the back end of the screw while I turn it up from the proper end, just so I can get the back out. I'm using this very small-headed screw, very thin-bladed screwdriver. Patience, my boy, patience. And up she comes. Huh. Screw doesn't seem to be stripped. And we're free. So there we go. Clarinet taken apart. Clarinet taken apart. Not too long. 18 minutes to take it apart. That's with some issues. I think I am going to restore the logo on the top end. That'll be pretty. I think I'm even going to take off the corks. I think I'll do that now. And I'm going to use, this is the tool I like to use. It's a scraper that I use primarily for brass stuff, for solder work. They do sell scrapers. This is what I have. And you're careful. If you're careful, you don't gouge the wood. Most times it just kind of comes off. Yeah, if these don't come out, it's not a huge deal. We can leave them in. This one's moving though. It's nice to get them out. So you can start from there. It's coming. There we go. And that is from where? I tell you. Tricky. Yep. Reese corrosion cracker. You gotta love it. My choice for the best penetrating oil. There we go. All the screws are out. Now what do you say? We take out the pads? Let's take out the pads. Now to take out my pads, I use a heat torch, an air torch. I like it. It's a gentle heat. Just clearing off the decks. Put some tools back. I'm going to need a spring hook and my heat torch. This is set at, what is it set at? 400, I believe. Let's see what it stops. I did have it for 500 for a little bit for a job. Yep, 400 degrees. And if you're doing the math, it's set at 4.5 on the blower. This does quite well with removing pads. We're done. All the keys are off. Great. All right, stay tuned for part dos. This is part uno. Look for part dos. All right.